Beau here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little different and something normal, but some people may not think is normal. I'm gonna go get my teeth cleaned in Mexico, because in the States it costs $100 to $150 to do, and wherever I'm in the Philippines I can get it done for $10 to $20, and I had the opportunity here to get it done for $20, so I mean, why not? This is how you get your teeth cleaned in Mexico. I hope you enjoy. Luis is getting all suited up, and then he's going to clean my teeth. Warning, I'm about to get my teeth cleaned. If you cannot handle it, click on the video above. Or fast forward about 30-45 seconds. Just got done cleaning my teeth with Luis, and I brought my translator. And it was an awesome experience. Check out these pearly whites. It was really cool. He was super professional. He didn't speak a lot of English, so his brother from the hospital came with me and was like my translator. But yeah, did an awesome job. $20 US, about $20-25 US. And yeah, it was super easy. I mean, I highly recommend it. It had been a year though since I had actually went in to get my teeth cleaned, because I normally do it in the Philippines, but since I'm not in the Philippines, I just have a hard time spending $150 to get my teeth cleaned. But you know, you only get one pair, so maybe I shouldn't be nearly as stingy. But I think that's just my papa coming out at me. That would be my mom's dad. So he would have done the exact same thing whenever he was in Mexico, I'm sure. Thank you for watching this kind of weird episode, and I'll see you guys next time. Beau out.